Hello friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Drop leaf tables.
Number 5.
Zinisgen mid-century modern wood dining table. Pine wood with rounded corner details. Measures 47.2 x 29.5 x 29. Easily assembled in minutes. Table only / does not include chairs. Worry-free 1-year warranty.
Number 4.
East-West Furniture DLT Beach TP Round Table. Dublin Round Table with 2 night drop leaves in black and cherry finish. The dinette table is made from all Asian solid wood from top to bottom. No MDF or softwood veneer used. Supported by a single pedestal, this round table also features 2 drop leaves. Length 42. Width 42. Height 29.5. Simple assembly required.
Number 3.
East-West Furniture and BLKTP Antique Table. Antique Table 36, round with black and cherry finish. 100% solid wood from tabletop to table legs. No heat-treated pressure wood like MDF, particle board or veneer top fabricated. Supported by a graceful pedestal stand that features 4 elegantly carved legs. Length 36, width 36, height 29. Simple assembly required.
Number 2.
Max Kitchen Dining Table. Modern and mid-century style design. Perfect for home and office use living rooms, dining rooms. Beauty beach table legs with black strengthened steel frame, extremely sturdy and durable. MDF desktop. We improved the desktop thickness, effectively prevent scratches, better heat resistance. Simple assembling delivered with a detailed instruction manual and a full set of screws, quickly and simple steps finish. Free replacement or money-back guarantee for any quality problem within 30 days.
Number 1.
Green Forest Round Dining Table Mid-Century Modern. Modern dining table. Green Forest Round Dining Table with a defining piece for modern style. Perfect to decorate your kitchen. Round pedestal table. This tulip table crafted with solid hardwood and metal, powder-coated steel and sits atop a sturdy tulip-shaped base. Round dining table, 31.5-inch white baking varnish technology tabletop, smooth tabletop, never deform, can be hold up to -4 people to use. Leisure side table. This contemporary leisure table intended for multiple uses as a dining table, coffee table, kitchen room table. Simple assembly required, all accessories and assembling instructions included. Worry-free 1-year warranty,